Welcome to Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we are diving into a pivotal development for the United Kingdom's medical device landscape. On May 8, 2026, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA, published its long-awaited draft regulations for medical devices. This move signals a new post-Brexit era for market access in Great Britain, establishing a standalone framework that will shape the industry for years to come. This draft statutory instrument isn't just a minor update, it's a fundamental restructuring of how devices will be regulated in England, Wales, and Scotland. The most significant proposal is the introduction of an International Reliance pathway. This is a game-changer for manufacturers. It means that for the first time, the MHRA will formally recognize approvals from other trusted international regulators, specifically the United States FDA, Health Canada, and Australia's Therapeutic Goods Administration, or TGA. This is designed to streamline the market entry process, making the UK a more attractive and accessible market for global companies. These proposed changes affect every medical device and IVD manufacturer currently marketing or planning to market their products in Great Britain. Whether you are a global enterprise with a diverse portfolio or a startup with a single innovative device, this new framework will define your regulatory obligations. Critically, the MHRA has opened a window for industry feedback. They have launched an impact survey to gather stakeholder input on the practical and financial implications of these new rules. The deadline for this survey is fast approaching. It closes on June 19, 2026. This is a crucial opportunity for your organization to voice its perspective and help shape the final legislation. Let's explore the International Reliance pathway in more detail. It is important to understand that this is not an automatic acceptance of foreign approvals. Manufacturers will still need to obtain a UK Conformity Assessed, or UKCA mark. However, the Reliance route will allow them to leverage the technical documentation and evidence already submitted and approved by the FDA, Health Canada, or the TGA. This should significantly reduce the burden of compiling a completely separate technical file for the UK, saving both time and resources. Beyond Reliance, the draft regulations introduce several other key changes. These include the implementation of a unique device identification, or UDI, system to enhance traceability, new specific rules for software as a medical device, including a category for products with a clinical calculation purpose, PCCP, and strengthened post-market surveillance and vigilance requirements to better protect patient safety. So, what should your regulatory, quality, and market access teams be doing right now? We recommend focusing on 4 key actions. First, review the draft regulations immediately. The document is detailed, and understanding its specific clauses is essential to assess the impact on your products. Second, prioritize completing the MHRA's impact survey before the June 19, 2026 deadline. Your feedback on costs, timelines, and operational challenges is invaluable and can influence the final text. Third, begin a strategic assessment of your product portfolio. Identify which of your devices already have approval from the FDA, Health Canada, or the TGA. These products will be prime candidates for the new Reliance pathway, and you can start building your UK market access strategy around them. Finally, do not lose sight of the UKCA marking transition. While Reliance offers a new route, the UKCA framework remains the foundation of UK market access. Continue your transition plans, especially for devices currently on the market under CE mark transition arrangements. The MHRA's draft 2026 regulations represent a significant shift towards a more agile, internationally aligned regulatory system for Great Britain. By embracing reliance on other major regulators, the UK is positioning itself as a key global market. However, this transition requires careful planning and proactive engagement from manufacturers. If you need help navigating the complexities of global market access, including the upcoming changes in the UK, please check out Pure Global. You can also find links to our free AI tools and regulatory database in the show description. We thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.